I will say that my favorite part of working at Ancestry is the learning. That is my core value. I am a learner for life. I look at people of my team. They bring so many unique kind of expertise to the table. There is not a single day that I don't sit in a meeting and I don't learn from there. The way we push the boundary is definitely applying AI at scale to collection and to documents that are even too difficult to be read by a human. And we do a lot of experiment, trying to bring the best to the user. To my team, I ask to think ownership and participate to success of the team. Ownership means that you care about what you're doing. You don't develop a piece of technology and say, I'm done. You develop a piece of technology and make sure that this piece of technology is received by product, goes in front of the user, and actually does what it's supposed to do. So if you are a person that care and care that what you're doing impacts customer, Ancestry is a good place for you.